Hey guys, have you ever walked into a dealership with high hopes, only to walk out frustrated because they refused to approve you for financing under your business? Or worse, you were stuck using your personal credit to build your car rental business, and you're taking on all those risks yourself. You're not alone, guys. This is the exact struggle many people face when they're trying to scale their car rental businesses. But what if I told you that there's a step-by-step way to buy these cars under your business LLC without to tie up your personal credit or without putting your financial future at risk? So in today's video, I'll be breaking down exactly how to purchase cars under your LLC for private rentals or Turo. All right, so stick with me because I'll also share a critical mistake that could derail your entire business plan if you guys aren't careful. All right, so step number one, you need to start with a strong business foundation. All right, so before you just walk into any dealership or apply for financing, you need to make sure that your business foundation is rock solid. And here's what that means. I need you to go ahead first off and go form that LLC. All right, that's the first step, is setting up your LLC. It separates your personal and your business finances. I recommend using services like InkFile to get started quickly and properly. All right, get an EIN number next. This is essentially your business's social security number. It's required to open up a business bank account or to apply for loans, and you can get one for free on the IRS website. Next, set up a business bank account. Never mix your personal and business funds. Lenders want to see that you're serious, and having a separate account is proof of that. All right, next is you need a business address and phone number. Don't use your home address. Don't use your personal cell phone number. Instead, set up a virtual office address and get a business phone number through services like Opus Virtual Offices or Alliance Virtual Offices. All right, when I started, I learned the hard way. All right, very little oversights like this, like I was using my home address. That led to a lot of denials. Don't skip these steps. Step two, build your personal and your business credit. All right, now, even though you're buying under your business, lenders still want to see that you're reliable. And here's how to make yourself bankable. All right, for your personal credit score, you need to aim for a score of at least a 680 or higher. 2025, they want to see a 700 or higher. Anything lower, and you're going to struggle to get approved. All right, start building your business credit accounts. All right, you want to build your business accounts with vendors like Uline, Quill, and Nav. These accounts report to the business credit bureaus and help establish your profile. You can get gas cards. You can apply for fleet gas cards like WEX to build your even more credit history. All right. You can go get a Sam's Club card. All right. On the business side, that will build up your business credit history also. Pro tip, guys, use Nav, an app called Nav, to monitor your business credit progress. It's kind of like the Credit Karma, but specifically for businesses. Step three, choose the right dealerships and lenders. All right. Not all dealerships and lenders understand how to work with businesses. All right. This is where many people get stuck. All right. Here's what you need to know about that. Fleet departments. All right. Focus on dealerships with fleet sales departments. All right, they specialize in working with businesses and understand how LLC financing works. All right, or you want business friendly lenders. All right, stick with lenders like Ally Bank, with Ford Credit, all right, or GM Financial. All right, they offer programs specifically designed for businesses. All right, when I went through this process, I learned that walking into a dealership unprepared is the fastest way to get denied. All right, you got to show up with your business documents and a clear plan. You got to have a confident mindset. All right. Step number four, avoid common pitfalls. All right. So let's talk about the mistakes that cost you big. All right. Mixing like your personal and your business finances. All right. Using your personal credit to buy cars for your business is a recipe for disaster. All right. It not only puts your credit at risk, it also makes it harder to scale your fleet. All right, number two is skipping maintenance and documentation. All right. Keeping detailed records of maintenance and expenses is critical, especially for tax purposes. Number three is going to be over leveraging. Don't take on too many cars at once. All right. I want you guys to start small, build a track record, and scale gradually. All right. Now, step five, let's talk about scaling safely and strategically. All right. So once you purchase your first car under your LLC, it's time to start thinking about scale. Here's how: reinvest your profits. All right. Use the income for your first car to fund additional vehicles. Build relationships. All right. Work closely with your dealership's fleet manager to secure better deals on future purchases. All right. Monitor your finances. Use accounting software like QuickBooks to track your income and your expenses and your profits. All right, scaling isn't just about how fast you can grow. It's about how well you can sustain your growth. Now, I get it. This process can feel overwhelming at first, but trust me, if you follow these steps, you'll position yourself to build a thriving car rental business. All right. So if you guys want to skip the trial and error phase and you guys want to learn directly from someone who's done it, grab the link in the description to go on ahead, guys, and book a call to see if you guys are a good fit for my mentorship. All right. In this program, guys, you get to work with me personally to see how I can help you guys set up your car rental business from A to Z. All right, I'll teach you guys how to properly establish your credit. It will help you guys with your personal credit and your business credit. Those of you guys that maybe you want to go focus on the exotic car niche, all right, we will hold your hand and walk you through how you can start from never own one of those. All of a sudden, you can be like Bryant here that was able to buy not one, not two, not three, but almost 5 exotics within the span of 2 months. All right, walked him through the process and he got his credit to where he needed to be, got the funding, and was able to buy all those vehicles. We will help you do that. All right. You would get access to my team that will be there to help you set up the back end of your company. So that way you can start to get renters calling you up to rent these vehicles. This is something that you would like to do. If you would like us to help you set up your car rental business, book a call right now to see if you're a good fit for the mentorship. I'll see you guys on the inside.